Hi Beginner Band. So last time we learned about quarter notes. We learned how to clap them, how to count them, and how to tap our toe to them. Today we're going to learn about another kind of rhythm. Okay, we're going to learn about half notes. I'll show you what a half note looks like. A half note looks similar to a quarter note, but instead of it being filled in, it's going to stay open. Okay, so it looks like this, a circle plus a line. Okay, 2 quarter notes equals 1 half note. Let me show you. 1 quarter note plus 1 quarter note equals 1 half note. So whenever we're writing the numbers and the foot taps under this, it's going to be 1 tay and then 2 tay. Well, for a half note, if 1 plus 1 equals 2, then we're going to get 1 right here. And remember what I said last time on how you get a big number only at the start of each note. Well, this note only starts 1 time, so everything else is going to be small. I'll write it out for you. So you have your big 1, you have a small a small tay, and then a small 2, and another small tay. All of these things happen within the half note. Okay, so whenever I'm drawing my arrows of where my foot is going to be, I'll erase some of this so there's room. My foot will start down, then it'll go up, down, and up. Okay, so whenever I'm doing it with my toe, it'll be down, up, down, up. With my mouth, it'll be 1 tay, 2 tay. Now, remember last time we talked about how the numbers are big at the beginnings of each note? Well, you also only clap at the beginning of each note. So in this half note, you're only going to clap 1 time, okay? It's different than before. Before you were counting for the 4 quarter notes. Well, this time you're going to be tapping your toe and you're only going to clap 1 time. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to sit properly. I'm going to say 1 tay, 2 tay. I'll do it again. 1 tay, 2 tay. Notice what I did with my hands. I showed you down, up, down, up. My hands are doing what my feet are doing, okay? This should help you a bit. I'll show you again. 1 tay, 2 tay. Now, up here, we had 4 quarter notes. So we had 4 beats. Well, right here, we only have 2. So I'm going to add 1 more half note, another half note. So this one is going to start on 3. It'll be a big 3 because the note starts on it. So you have 1 tay, 2 tay, 3. You may have already guessed it. The next thing is a small tay, followed by a small 4 because the note already started and the 4 is part of the half note. So here's your 4 and your tay. And all of that happens within this half note. I'll show you what this looks like and then we'll do it all together. So I'm sitting properly. Hope you can see it behind me. It's going to go 1 tay, 2 tay, 3 tay, 4 tay. Okay, make sure your body stays still. We're just moving our hands and our left toes, and then we're saying it. Try it with me. 1 tay, 2 tay, 3 tay, 4 tay. Okay, now do it with me again and follow along with your eyes. Ready? 1 tay, 2 tay, 3 tay, 4 tay. Now let's try it with the metronome. We're going to do the 2 half notes over and over and over again, and then we're going to add something else. Again, I'm at 60. 1 tay, 2 tay, ready, go. 1 tay, 2 tay, 3 tay, 4 tay. 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 Stop. Good. So hopefully you're doing that with me. Now I'm going to add something. So I'm going to erase a little bit because it's a little bit crowded over here. Erase, 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 erase. Erase, 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 erase. Erase. So I'm going to do 4 quarter notes, a measure of 4 quarter notes followed by a measure of 2 half notes. I'll write it out for you. So you have 1 quarter note, 2 quarter notes, 3 quarter notes, 4 quarter notes. That's the end of this measure. This line just means that it's a new measure. Then I have 1 half note followed by another half note. So my numbers, think about it as I do it. Try and guess it before I say it. So right here, it's a big 1, whoopsies, a big 1 followed by a small te. And then a big 2, small te, big 3, small te, big 4, small te. Now, my half notes, the first one is a big 1. See, it's a new measure, a new set of notes, and it's going to start with a big number. And we're going to start with 1. And then we have, if you'll remember, it's a small te, a small 2, and another small te. Then here's the start of another half note. So it's going to be a big 3, followed by a small te, a small 4, and another small te. Now we're going to write in what our feet are doing. Try and guess it before I write it down. So we start with our foot down, and then it goes up, down, up, down, up, down, up. On the half notes, our foot does the exact same thing. So one half note gets a down, up, down, up. And then our second half note gets the same thing. A down, up, okay? So in this first measure, we're gonna clap 1, 2, 3, 4 times. But in the second measure, we're only gonna clap 1, 2 times because we only have 2 big numbers, 2 starts to the notes, okay? So follow along with the music up above me while I do it once. Use your eyes and read. I'm gonna do it once and then you get to join me, okay? So sit like a band kid. Show me you're ready. 1 te, 2 te, ready, go. 1 te, 2 te, 3 te, 4 te, 1 te, 2 te, 3 te, 4 te. Okay, so let's do it again. Ready? This time I'm going to show you and you get to join me. Ready? 1 te, 2 te, ready, go. 1 te, 2 te, 3 te, 4 te, 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 stop. So you can do it over and over and over again. We have 4 quarter notes and then 2 half notes. Our foot just goes down, up the whole entire time. Our mouths say 1 te, 2 te, 3 te, 4 te the entire time. The only thing that changes is when we clap. Okay, we only clap at the beginnings of each note. Okay, so you practice that and then post a video of it. Okay, good luck, have fun.